Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video tutorial, and in today's video tutorial we will be looking at how to create queries in database. Now we often create queries whenever we want to collect or retrieve specific information from either one table or multiple tables. Now in today's series we will be using one table in order to produce our query. So the first thing that we want to do when we are going ahead to create our query is to select the Create tab at the top of our ribbon. Secondly, once that has been done, there are a variety of options that show up. However, we are looking for the one that says Query Design. Once we select that, a pop-up box will appear showing us the different tables that we currently have within our database. Again, I will be using the members info table. So once I select that, I select add and then close the pop-up box. From the members info table, I will be collecting information regarding the member ID, first and last name, their age and gender. Now, there are two ways that we can go ahead to add our fields to the listing that will be used for our query. One is to double tap the field that we require. A second option is to select the empty slot within the field row, and then the drop down arrow will be there or will be present. So we select that, and from the drop down arrow we select the field that we want to add. In this case, the next one is the first name. I will continue by double clicking on the box here, so it's last name, age and gender. Okay, before we finalize our query, another thing that I want to do is to be able to sort my query using last name. So in this case, again, I select the field section and the drop down arrow appears. In this case, I want my last name to appear in ascending order. That is last name ranging from A to Z. Another thing that I want to add within this query is a criteria. Now, the criteria allows us to be specific as to what type of information we want appearing in the query. So in this instance, as it relates to age, I want the age for all the members who are older than 10 years. So the symbol that I use is the greater than sign along with the number 10. Second criteria that I want to use is the gender field, and in this case I only want members who are females. Now within my table, the term that I use in gender was the full word female, so I will go ahead and type female in that section. Once that has been completed, ready to run my query in order to see the results. So I go ahead to the top left and select the run option. And there we have it. The query is now showing us all female members who are of the age that is greater than the number 10. And if you are able to see as well, the last name, or the query rather, is sorted based on the last name